Searching for a great gaming headset that won't empty your wallet? Here are 5 fantastic choices, all under $50. First is the HyperX Cloud Stinger, around $40. It's lightweight with rotating ear cups for comfort. With 50mm drivers and a noise-canceling mic, it offers great sound. Next, the Razer Kraken X, at about $49, weighs just 250 grams. It features 7.1 surround sound and a flexible mic for clear communication. The Runmus K8, priced at $29, includes 50mm drivers and RGB lighting, supporting 7.1 surround sound across multiple platforms. Stylish and functional. The MPOW EG3 Pro at $35 boasts a sturdy metal frame and comfy ear cups. Its noise-canceling mic is a hit with budget gamers. Lastly, the Banggood G9000 is just $25. It has surround sound and noise isolation, working with PS4, Xbox One, and PC. These headsets show that you can get quality gaming audio without spending a lot.